The reality is every claim has two audiences now. Well, three. You've always had the adjuster, you've always had the customer, but now you've got the machine. The machine doesn't care how hard the job was, if you got up in the middle of the night for it, or if you drove far away for it. The machine doesn't care if the elevators don't work and you had to haul the equipment upstairs. The machine doesn't care if you had to wake a guy up and get him out of bed, and that takes more time, and 11 o'clock at night or 1 o'clock in the morning, nobody's as fast as they are at 8 a.m. It doesn't take into account those things. So instead, it looks for file structure, the complete, consistent, easy timeline. So it has to be able to really simply, determine why you made the decisions that you made. You took the floor because it was wet, that sort of thing. Monitors, meter reading says wet, floor's gone because wet. All that makes sense to the machine, right? But what they're going to do then is validate those against historic production rate values. And then we're going to start getting preset loss expectancy estimates that go over that via custom price list, via estimate methodology or estimator skill, or whatever other X factor you want to throw at that statement, right? No matter what that ends up being, we're all going to end up being the victim of those caps. There's going to be almost an automatic appraisal, let's call it, right? And if you're within that line, then you fit. If you're out of that line, you're going to go into a queue. Wait for the human, and the human's going to get to you when they get to you. Probably won't be anytime soon, because their easier jobs are just clickety click, pay this one, pay that one, pay this one. If he's got to make a phone call, you already know how hard it is to get the adjusters to make a phone call, guys. If your documentation is messy, it doesn't matter how good you did the job. If the documentation comes in messy through the machine, you're going into this queue. It's not going to be a good time. If you got clean documentation, you can move your narrative all the way through from start to finish of the job, whether it's on the mitigation or the reconstruction side, then you should be able to have a pretty smooth transition through the machine. You shouldn't have any red flags that are going to trigger the human interaction, and you won't end up dying in the queue waiting for somebody to call you. That's the new battleground. That's where we're at. That's where we're really at right now.